Hi there and welcome to Admin Software tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about adding some content and menus to your new website. First of all, this is the default view of the site. This is what you'll see once the site has been set up, and then from here you need to start adding content and menus to your website. So first of all, you need to log in with your username and password that was emailed to you. Log in and you'll see the menu will change and you'll have create content, administer, and my account. In my account you'll see any activities and things that's happened, how long you've been a member for, any history on the account, and you can also change your username, password, things like that. On the create content you'll have two options. You can create a page, which is a normal website page, or you can create a story, which is similar to a blog entry. People can add comments and their view of the topic that you've got on the page itself. So basically, let's just quickly go into the page option and see how we can create content here. Okay, so once you click on the create page, this is what will be displayed to you. First of all, it'll give you an option to enter the title of the page that you want to create, and then the body of the text or the page is where you're going to be creating your content. On here you can type in text. It's got a editor that's very similar to using Word. If you can use Word, you're not going to have too much trouble using this. I'm not going to go through all the options. It's got basic stuff like bold, italic, underline. You can change the font type of it, the size. Also change the color, and you can highlight stuff as well. So it's not very nice, but I'm sure you get the general idea. You can have it centered. You can add stuff like flash, images, tables. You can add horizontal lines, smiley faces. If you want to insert special characters that's not on your keyboard, you can just click on that and it will pop up a window here. You just choose it. So say for instance on that, it'll put that in, and so forth. You can also click on that and it will go up full screen, which is nice if you're going to be creating a big page, so you don't have to scroll down the whole time. Once you've finished, you just click on the minimize button again. So let's just leave that's going to be our body of the text. And publish options, you have to have it published, otherwise it's not going to be available to people to view. You can also have it to be displayed on the front page if you want to have it to be shown on the home page of the site. So let's do that. You can add some author information. This has to be your username. If you type in a different name that doesn't exist, then it's just going to give you an error. You can leave it blank to have it posted as anonymous. You can enable people to add comments to it. So let's choose read and write, which means people can add their comments and views to the article. This is just a revision information. If you change it later on, you can create a new revision. And while this is just the input format, you can leave it on filtered HTML. It really doesn't matter. So once you're done, you can click on preview. It will show you a preview. Oh, we forgot to put in a title. That will give you an error. Field is required. You can click on preview, and there at the top you can see it's not very big now, but that's basically what it's going to look like. And then click on save. So now if you click on home, you'll see there's your new article. And say for instance somebody comes and they want to add a comment, and they put in a subject. They can add their comment and they click on preview, and then they click on save, and then it will show their comment there. So that's the basics of adding an article or a page to your site. If you want to have extra menus and stuff on the side here. You can basically find that on Administer, and then you have to go to Blocks. The stuff on the side here is called Blocks. That's, as you can see here, there's a left sidebar, there's a right sidebar, there's a header. It just shows you all the available options. There's content, footer. So let's quickly add a menu. We're going to add it to the right sidebar. So it's going to be displayed here. So on here it basically breaks it down into categories where each block is going to be displayed. So you can have maybe who's new, you can put that on the left sidebar, who's online, let's put that on the right one, recent comments, maybe put it on the header, and then I think that's enough. You just click on Save Blocks and you'll see it'll update it. We haven't configured a primary menu yet, primary links yet, so we'll go do that now, but it's basically displayed here. So click on Administer again, and then you go to Menus, click on Primary Links, and then we're going to add a new menu. So the path of the menu would be the path or the link to your article that you want to have it linked to. The easiest way to get the link or the path to a page is to actually open the page, and the path will be displayed on the top here. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm using Firefox, by the Internet Explorer 8, by the way. So it depends on the web browser that you use, but mine allows me to open pages in a new tab. So you right click on Home, say Open a New Tab, and it's going to go here. So then I want to click on the page that we've created previously. So yeah, there's the new page, and then it'll show me the address or path at the top here. So that's the path I want to copy. Just copy that, and I'll paste that into the path option there. And then I'm going to give the menu a name. I say page 1, and you can give it a short description. Must be enabled, otherwise it won't show. If the menu has sub-menu items, you can have it to expand. We're not going to have it to have sub-menus at the moment. If you want to create a sub-menu, you have to choose under which menu option it's going to be. Let's do that. Let me show you later on once we've done this, and then we click on Save. So after you've done that, then you'll see under Primary Links it will display page 1. Once you click on that, it will go to the article. So you would probably want to change this text. Let me quickly show you how. You go to Administer Blocks, and you look for the primary links, you click on Configure, and then you can change the block title, say Menu 1, and then you click on Save Block. That will change it to Menu 1. Okay, so we want to add a sub-menu below this one now. So let's quickly create another page. Create content. Let's do story. Give it a name. Story 1. Text. Change some text, yeah. And then we don't want it to be on the front page because this is going to be a sub menu. That's basically all. Click on Save. Okay, so once it's been created, it will show you the path at the top already. So that's the path you want to copy it directly, otherwise you're going to need to go back and find